Not everyone gets a chance to share a frame with this powerhouse talent. Bollywood Life is elated to have the gorgeous Tabu on board. Hi Tabu, welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you.
Firstly, talking about the trailer, we are very excited to see the film. So, what was your excitement throughout doing the film and the character? Your character looks very intense, like always. So, how was your excitement?
Well, she belongs to a different world in her mind, and I think that was one of the most interesting things about her character. That she's stuck in time. She's stuck in a particular way of dressing, with her jewelry, with her hair, and with her red hair and everything. So a lot of things about this character really are very striking. So I think it was that those things were exciting for me to.
How was it working with the younger one, Aditya and Katrina Kaif?
Very nice. They are very, very into their own world, doing their own work, very sincere with their work. So I did not have any discomfort or they are very lovely to work.
Were they intimidated by you? Like they saw you on set and they were like, okay, Tabuji is here or something, that persona. Have you faced that younger actors get intimidated by you? Have you ever faced that?
I don't know. I don't think so.
No?
I don't know.
Okay, ma'am, talking about your character, it looks very intense and everything. So what was your preparations behind, and especially the hair? It's just now you said the hair is the superstar in the film.
Yeah, we took 2 days to get the color of the hair right, and then my lovely hair and makeup team were every day managing to make it look perfect. They saw to it that the shoot happened on time and we didn't take too much time in doing the hair. The preparation was already done actually, because the film has been, I came really at the last minute, and my director has lived with the character for so long. So he had very clearly designed the character, the whole look and the way she speaks her lines and her dramatic nature. So that was all in the script.
So before that, we all are aware that Rekha ji was supposed to do the role. Did the changes happen after you came on board, or
not many?
Not many.
No.
Okay. Did you had a word with Rekha ji regarding?
Let's not go into that. No? This is not about that. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Were you apprehensive to get the older look to suit the character, or you were like fine?
That was a challenge actually, because I had to convincingly look much older than I am.
Yes.
But I think I'm sure in the film they've managed and to do that, and no, it was not an apprehension for me.
Okay. And talking about Katrina, now you have shared a bond with her. She's been your co-star. What is one most misunderstood thing about her? One thing, most misunderstood thing about her?
I don't.
No?
I don't know if she's I don't know about that. I had a very great experience with her, and this is the first time I've really had conversations with her, and I don't know if there are any misunderstandings about her.
Okay. You seem to have a good connection with Kashmir, first Haider and now Fitoor. So how was the entire...
I didn't go to Kashmir this time, unfortunately. Yeah.
Oh, acha.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is your Fitoor, your real Fitoor in life?
I still have to discover it, I think. When I'm working, it's about my work only. I do it like a Fitoor. I have to be on time, I have to be disciplined, I have to, do it right. Otherwise, music, travel.
Apart from films, what do you prefer to do? Are you a reader? Do you read?
No, singing, music.
Music?
Yeah. I think I can just, please don't record this. Okay. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
So I think I can listen to music all day and I can sing all day. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that's a quite revelation. And what kind of music do you like?
Anything that sounds nice to the ears. Anything that makes me feel something.
And your favorite number from the film, if you have it?
So Pashmina and Tere Liye.
And lastly, how was it working with Abhishek? What the director? How was he? And what kind of camaraderie did you share with him?
I've known him for many years, but of course, first time that I'm working with him, he has his own very particular style of filmmaking and his own understanding about cinema and about performances. And yeah, he's very distinct from the other directors. Yeah.
And any of your favorite dialogue which you would like to say to your fans from the film, your dialogue, which you actually loved it and you were like...
हर चीज़ जो दिखती है वो सच नहीं होती, दूर से देख लो, आंखें सेक लो, पास आओ, हाथ लगाओ तो गायब हो जाती है.
Wow. You know, your character looks very sad in the film.
She is very sad.
She is very sad.
She has gone through tremendous betrayal, because of which she is completely bitter. Yeah.
So how much do you connect? Do you connect with your character?
I don't think so, but I'm completely aware that it's possible to be like that.
Is it? Okay. Lastly, what would you like to say your fans and after Heather and they are just and Drishyam? Yeah, one more question I wanted to ask that, you know, were you unhappy like Drishyam not winning award, anything for Drishyam?
Not at all. See, when the film does well, then you don't want anything else. You don't, I mean, you know, don't mind.
Does awards matter to you?
I don't
How
think of
important or
awards and
significant
work.
it is for
I
you?
don't think of awards when I'm working. I don't think any of us thinks of awards and works. You know, मिल गया तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो ठीक है. It's okay. Film has to run.
Okay, thank you so much
Thank
for talking
you.
to us. Thank you.